Gonna keep that vibe. Drop a side down.
You right there, ladies and gents, how is it going? Happy Christmas to all of you that celebrate it, happy holidays to those that don't and have some time off, and just happy day to any of you who are working or stuck. Not in the place that you necessarily want to be, but I do hope you're having a good day. Yes, today is not just Jesus' birthday, it is the Chaniversary of Hippo-Drones. So yes, I always do a little Christmas special just for that. And I just want to say thank you to every single one of you that's watched my videos over the last year and prior to that if you're a longer term subscriber. It's very much appreciated, the support that you'll give me and all the comments and likes and stuff like that. I get a big kick from it when I get a video that gets lots of comments and stuff like that. So thank you so much for all your support throughout this last year. It's been a funny one. It has been a funny one. I cannot lie there. Yes, I had lots and lots of plans, but unfortunately my health gave me a kick in the backside and stopped so many of those plans that I had and forced me to rethink things and rethink my life as well. So yeah, it's been an odd one. So yeah, heart attacks, don't recommend them. So try and get fit, try and eat well, and hopefully that will stop you having one, because I was really lucky for it to have not been a worse situation. Humongous thanks to Mr. Fish and Midlife Biker Chick, aka John and Steph, for all the love and support throughout the year. They've massively been a huge part of this year for me, and they massively looked after me, massively massively looked after me while out on the trails when I was poorly, and made sure that I didn't die. So thank you guys. But thank you all for those that sent word and love and kisses and all that sort of stuff while I was in hospital. Yes, you helped each day I was there be a little bit less unpleasant. So thank you so much. Now we get to this end of this year, and because it has been such a weird one, my channel hasn't done particularly well this year, but it's fine, it's what it is. It's a hobby and I enjoy making the videos, and I just enjoy the interactions with those of you that are able to drop comments, etc. on those videos. So yes, it's all been good, just a little quieter than normal. But what have we got going on for us? I'm now a cyclist. I am a cycle wanker. I'm really enjoying that, and thanks to the heart attack, it's given me the kick in the backside that I needed to go and get some health, do some good things, eat healthily. Even got some wonderful fruit here, which I'll be having after recording this video. Yeah, I'm trying to do my bit, and yeah, it's all going well. I can't really offer you much of a roundup of the year because it's been so hickledy-pickledy, but I think my highlights were that trail ride, the one where I had the heart attack. I was having a great time up until I wasn't. It was a brilliant day out, and one of the few summer rides I had, because afterwards I was not allowed to ride for a little while, and wasn't well enough for that. So yes, that was one of my highlights. Another one was going over to Wycombe. If you haven't watched my YouTube shorts from that, you might find them interesting. Some of the new bikes that were available for us to poke and prod. I enjoyed doing that with my mate Matt, and yeah, just all the other shenanigans like the Mr. Oz Adventure meetup that we organised, and the boss with Mr. Fish, etc. Yeah, it's been a good year. It's just been peculiar. One of my friends, he did start writing a book, or multiple books. That's the Dust series over there. It's my friend Staff Advance. I do recommend them if you are a bookie. Go read them. You can get them on Amazon Prime and Kindle books and all that sort of stuff. Yeah, plug, sorry mate, but yeah, you deserve this. These are cracking books. I've really enjoyed the reading of them that I've done so far, and I still have a lot more reading to do. I'm not much of a reader, so it is a slow thing for me to get through books. But yes, they are. It's so well written. Yeah. Okay, that's enough of the plugs. Oh, it's not quite enough of the plugs. Next plug is for Motor Social UK. It's a Facebook group for motor vloggers, and this year we've run a Secret Santa, trying to kick-start the group back to what it was, which was more of a social thing. And yeah, hopefully doing a little bit of a Secret Santa. We'll start getting the community spirit going again, and hopefully throughout 2020, 2026, that's the next one coming, isn't it? We'll manage to do some meetups and get that that Facebook group alive, and a bit more than somewhere where people just post their videos. But if you are a motor vlogger and you're watching this, do check out Motor Social UK over on the old Facebooks. I'll stick a link down below to it. Get involved on there, try and do some social stuff. I'm sure Mr. Fish will be doing one of his meetups later on in the year, so I'll post up an event for that. If you've got any other events that you want to share up there, get them posted on there too. Yeah, it'd be awesome to get it alive and kicking with people actually doing stuff together. Yeah, that'd be grand. That'd be grand. But like I say, we did do this Secret Santa this year, and there was only a few of us that took part. A few others wanted to, I think, but they didn't get back to me with their addresses to get it sorted. So unfortunately, there's only 4 of us. One of them was a new biker. I was actually his Secret Santa. So do check out his channel. He's put some video shorts up there of the process of his Motor Social UK Secret Santa, of him gifting and being gifted. So I'm hoping that he's received the gift that I sent him, because otherwise, spoiler alert, noob, sorry mate, here in the corner or something or other is one of the gifts I got him. There's a YouTube short coming out of that soon which explains why it's a bit special. So yes, keep an eye on my YouTube shorts. Plug, plug, plug. So yeah, that was New Biker. He's a cracking guy. Do go check him out. And the next one was RevBomb. He's been posting lots and lots of videos recently, and his channel is growing very, very nicely, so good for him. Again, he, I believe, got his Secret Santa present from New Biker. And RevBomb sent a Secret Santa to Uncle Longbeard. And Uncle Longbeard has sent his Secret Santa present to me. So yes, do check out all of them. I'll put links down below and in the top corners and stuff like that. Do check out their channels. They are all great guys. Uncle Longbeard does lots of travelling. RevBomb does lots of sort of first rides on new bikes for customers. He works in a motorcycle shop. And a New Biker, he's a cracking guy, and mainly motor vlogs. But he does some trips as well. Yes, check them all out. I also met up with New Biker over at EICMO, which was pretty awesome to run into a UK motor vlogger in Milan, in Italy. Right, I'm going to open that present from Uncle Longbeard. I've not opened it yet. I haven't opened it yet at all, so I don't actually know what's in it. So let's get this done, shall we? It looks like a t-shirt. It does look like a t-shirt. Excuse the rustling. It is a t-shirt. Haha, right. My channel, for those that don't know, started on a Moto Guzzi. And it's a Moto Guzzi t-shirt, and that's really awesome, that is. That's really, really cool. Thank you, Uncle Longbeard. That's very kind of you, mate. I think he sized it before I lost some weight. But at least I can either grow into it or stick it on over my leathers. So that's awesome. Thank you very much, mate. Thank you very much indeed. Oh, there's something else there too. This one looks like a hat. And again, it's another Moto Guzzi hat. So yes, he's very much following the trend of what my channel was all about to start with. I do love a Moto Guzzi. I'm going to have to adjust that. It won't fit me. It's a bit small like that. So a large t-shirt and a small hat. Does it fit? Yes. Yes, it does. But it does need adjusting. But that's really awesome. Thank you so much, mate. That's really cool. That is really, really cool indeed. Yes, I do love a Moto Guzzi. Right, I'm just going to get rid of this rubbish. Oh, and we've got another thing there as well. A couple of Uncle Longbeard stickers. And I haven't got any of his stickers yet, so that's awesome. They can go on my sticker board, which is on my PC, which you can't see there, or in my bar, which we'll be talking about in a minute. I was going to record this video from my bar, but it's horrible weather, horrible weather. But yeah, thank you so much, mate. They're blinding. Love it. Love it. Now, another channel that I very much enjoy watching is a local lad to me as well. We met, I think, at a Boss, a Mr. Fish meetup, and it's a cracking guy, and he's given me so much support over the years with my channel and my stuff, and yeah, we've become hugely good friends over the years. And that's my friend Pezza, a big Pezza on the old YouTubes. I'll put links down below and up in the top. When I had my heart attack, I was supposed to be going to the ABR festival, but obviously a bit poorly, so I gave my ticket to Pez, because otherwise it was just going to go to waste. And he said to say thank you for that. He doesn't celebrate Christmas, like myself, but he's made me this. He's 3D printed this, and I don't know if you can see on the camera there, but it's kind of all three-dimensional. And if you hold a light up to it, you can sort of get a translucent effect. So this is going in my bar in some form or another. It'll either be on the wall like this, or if I can, I might rig like a light box up behind it. And I might even, this was an idea Pez suggested, drill a hole through the middle and turn it into a clock. I don't know though, I don't know. But I just think that's wonderful, that is really thoughtful, and I'm super chuffed with it. I really am. I think that's just fantastic. So thank you so much, Pez. You are a legend, an absolute legend. And I can't wait to hang this up. Pez has made some videos on how he printed all this out. I'll put a clip in here-ish of him doing that. But yeah, do check out his channel. He does lots of 3D printing, as well as lots of motorcycle spannerings and stuff like that, and big trips. I mean, like, he had a massive Europe trip a few years back, but he's also done lots and lots of other interesting things, rallies and all that sort of stuff, travelling around the UK on his motorcycles. And he's just got a really cool Java 350 sidecar outfit. So yes, very cool channel, So go subscribe to Big Pezza too. But thanks, mate, really absolutely love that. That's grand, it really is grand. So I guess that's really it. There's not much else to say other than, once again, I wish you a very happy Christmas, happy holidays, happy day, whatever it is for you. And yes, if you're working or working over the holiday period, I do offer you my commiserations. I've been working and now I'm working pretty much through the whole lot. So we get used to these things as a shift worker. But yeah, sometimes it's nice to do the family thing, isn't it? And this year, just not really able to. Yeah, I don't really celebrate Christmas, but I still love my family. So yeah, it would be awesome to have been able to spend some time with them. Anyway, yeah, melancholy. Yeah, do check out these channels as well. You've got Big Pezza, New Biker, RevBomb, and Uncle Longbeard. And also check out Motorsocial UK on the old Facebooks. And yeah, have a cracking time. And if you are bored looking for a read, check out my mate Staff Advance on the old Amazon with his Dust series of books. There's only 3 out so far, but I think there's 6 total. There will be 6 total once he's written the other 3. Yeah, they're great, really good read. Okay, I guess that's it. So I'm going to enjoy my coffee, stick the old Netflix on, or maybe a YouTube video, because I think I've got some catching up to do. And yeah, I'm going to just chill out for the rest of the day. But anyway, happy Christmas, happy New Year, and I'll see, hopefully, a load of you in 2026. Do like some bike meetups or something. And I do have a camping trip planned that I'd like to invite as many of you that can make it to. But we'll announce that nearer the time. Anyway, that's it. You, I'd say, take care, and I shall catch you all in the next one. Bye-bye for now.
Gotta keep that body rubber side down. Yeah, you know, you gotta keep that body rubber side down.